Here's our two thermostats. Upper thermostat, lower thermostat, taken out of the boiler. This guy's pretty straightforward. Power goes in here, power comes out here, based on if the temperature setting is reached here. Now, a lot of times what I found with these is they'll get hot here, and like this won't make a definite on-off. So sometimes when that occurs, what you can get is an over temperature, or you can get the element not coming on at all. Over here on this guy, power comes in right here, then power is shared between the two elements between this terminal, and then this terminal and this terminal decides on whether the upper element or the lower element is on, based on a click here from this thermostat, which turns it on or off. If you look up right here, this is our emergency cutoff. This guy will cut off all power below this point. It'll only have 240 volts here, the rest of this will be dead if this guy activates. If he activates, you've got a problem, because you've got an over temperature occurring, which either means this thermostat is failing or this thermostat here is failing. Could be that the contacts are stuck on, the element stays on, boils the water in the tank, and causes this guy to trip out. So this is very important, the ECO. If the ECO trips, you need to do really good, thorough investigation of these two thermostats to see if one is stuck on. The only other thing is that the temperature on these is usually set around this area right here, 145 or so. And the reason for that is for bacteria growth in the tank. If you keep the temperature high enough in the tank, you won't get bacteria forming that can cause gas. So if you've got a hot water line and you're getting like spurts of air out of it, and maybe a smell of rotten eggs, you may have a thermostat or an element gone in the bottom, because that will cause bacteria growth in the bottom of the tank. You'll still get hot water because this guy's still working, but you could get a gassy like odor if this guy is not working. Now, not all the times, but sometimes that can happen. So that's why these temperatures are set in this range, to keep bacteria growth to a minimum. Anyway, we'll test one of these. We've already got this one done. We'll test one of these in operation, and I'll show you how the electricity flows from here to here. This again is a flip-flop. If your tank is not heating at all, no hot water at all, look at this thermostat right here and the element that's below it, because this guy is not working if you have no hot water at all. If you have limited hot water, you're getting hot water, but you're not getting as much as you used to get, it's this guy or the bottom element. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you in another video.